Hey guys, it's your favorite YouTuber back at it again with another video. Haven't uploaded in a while, waiting for something interesting. Well, it happened. Now, I found this bird on the side of the road, like really far away, like super far away. But I rode on him with like my bike and everything, right? And I rode with him in my hand. Now, I don't know what's wrong with him. If he's hurt or something, but he does not want to fly, like, at all. Okay? But, like, it's a bird and everything, right? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna show him to my family. And I think he's hurt or something, because he doesn't want to fly. I don't know why he doesn't want to fly, but he doesn't. Like I put him down, right? I put him down. He doesn't want to fly. Or she. I don't know why, but... Well, I'm gonna end the video here. I might do an update, but for right now, I think I'm gonna take him and show him to my family. See you guys later. And subscribe to my channel and like the video. As always, I'm out.